Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, imagine you're browsing through your user profile folder on Windows 10, and you stumble upon a mysterious subfolder called .jsf. Intriguing, right? Well, that's the problem we're tackling today. Inside this folder, you find a file named jSSC 2.8_x86.dll. But what on earth is this, and where did it come from? Can you delete it without causing any issues? Stick around to find out. Now let's dive into the solution. After a quick search, it turns out that the file jSSC 2.8_x86.dll belongs to something called Java's Simple Serial Connection. If you're not actively using any software that requires this, deleting it shouldn't pose a problem. However, since it's not a standard Windows file, it's likely that a program you've installed utilizes it. Intriguing, isn't it? Remember, always be cautious when removing unknown files. In summary, we've uncovered the mystery behind the .jssc folder and its contents. Java Simple Serial Connection is the culprit here, but feel free to remove it if you're not using any related software. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy exploring!